If you guys want to turn something that looks like this into this, we got you. Here at Vapor Hunting Technologies, we actually offer free application testing. So if you guys don't know what that is, basically, if you are curious how wet blasting is going to perform on your parts, you can send it in. We will blast it for free and ship it back to you. This is a great way of judging if vapor honing is going to be applicable for your process, whether it's remanufacturing something like this or just cleaning up the parts in your garage. We are open to everything. If you guys have NDAs, we will sign them. We will work with you company to company. If you guys are just doing this in your garage and you want to see how your parts are going to turn out, send them in. We have a form that you guys can fill out and we will get back to you as soon as possible, telling you whether or not we can actually accept it, because there's only a limited amount of parts that we can actually take in. Also, we have to put the constraint that you guys can't send in a ton of parts just because we have to get through everyone's. But if you guys would love to see how vapor honing can make your parts look, please take advantage of this. It's totally free. Send your parts to us, we'll ship them back to you guys, and I promise you they will look better than they did when they came in. Also, we will literally accept anything. If you guys want to see how it looks cleaned up, fill out that form, send it in, we'll get back to you guys. And again, we're gonna make your parts look great, so please take advantage of this. Hope you all have a great day.